Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the templates option in Filmora 13. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to install the Filmora 13, and after that we have to go to the templates option. So as you can see now we have to click on the templates option, and now we have to choose that which template you want. For example, if you want to use this one, as you can see you will be able to get this arrow here. That means this template is not downloaded. We have to download it. So I'm going to double click on this. So as you can see, we have to double click on this and this will be downloaded. For example, I am going to use this one. So I have already downloaded this one. Now simply we have to drag this into our timeline. So I'm going to put this here. We have to put this here. As you can see now simply we are here. If you want to check out this, you can also do that. As you can see, the preview is provided here. You can use this wherever you want. If you want to edit the text, as you can see now the options are also provided here. You can control each and every option here. I'm going to delete this one here and let's go to the templates again. As you can see, if you want to use this one, you can also do that. Simply we have to put this here. As you can see now we are here. If you want to change any kind of thing, you can also do that. These all types of templates are provided here. You just have to choose them and you have to drag this into our timeline. So in this way you can use any template in the Filmora 13. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.